Hello crafters, it's Trisa from Anjurisa. Today I'm excited to share a new pouch design I've been working on, the Elly Pouch. This stylish U-shaped pouch has hidden pockets, making it perfect for carrying all your essentials. The pouch is available in 4 sizes, which you can find in the link in the description. Even if you don't purchase my pattern, you can still follow along with this tutorial. Let's gather the materials. You will need 4 pieces for the pouch. I use canvas for the main fabric and cotton for the lining. Additionally, you will need 1 or 2 pieces for the pockets, a 5-inch zipper, and 2 scrap pieces of fabric for the zipper tab. Let's start by shaping the pouch. We are going to round the corners. If you don't have my pattern, you can use any round object as a guide, such as a small plate or cup. For this video, I'm using the mini-size Elly pouch. Cut the corners into a round shape. Resulting in 4 pieces, 2 for the main fabric and 2 for the lining. Let's make the pocket. Start by folding the fabric with right sides together. Sew all around, leaving a gap in the middle. To simplify things for you, I've included the no-sew mark on my pattern. Trim all 4 corners to get sharp and neat edges. Turn the fabric inside out and gently push out the corners using something handy like a chopstick or a paintbrush. Press the whole fabric flat. Avoid sewing over the gap, and instead, we'll sew along the other side of the fabric. If you decide to add 2 pockets, repeat these steps to make another pocket. Let's attach the pocket to our pouch lining fabric. Fold the lining fabric in half and press it gently with your hands to create a crease. Fold the pocket in half. Align it with the crease on the lining. Sew around the edges of the pocket, avoiding the top edge to keep the pocket open. To make things easier for you, I've also included the pocket placement on my pattern. Repeat this process for the other pouch lining piece. Now let's make the zipper tab, a beautiful accessory that we attach at the end of the zipper. We simply fold the fabric in half and press it. Then unfold it, fold the edges toward the center crease, and press it again. Let's attach this little piece of fabric to the zipper. You may need to hand stitch the zipper end first to make sewing easier later. Attach the fabric to the end of the zipper. Make sure that the crease aligns with the zipper stop. Sew exactly along the crease. trim a bit if needed. Then fold the fabric over to cover the zipper end. Here comes the fun part, making the pouch. Start by marking the center of the zipper by folding it in half and making a small notch. Do the same thing with the pouch lining. Fold it in half and trim a small notch, or use a fabric marker to mark the center. Repeat this step with the main fabric. Next, align the fabrics. Place the lining fabric right side up, the zipper with the head facing up, and the main fabric right side down. Make sure all the notches are aligned. Secure the layers with fabric clips if needed. Sew through all the layers, using a zipper presser foot if you have one, for easier sewing. Now flip the fabric over and repeat the steps to the other side of the zipper. Use the same technique for marking the center. Fold the fabric in half and trim a small notch to help align all the fabrics. Additionally, I've also included a mark here on my pattern to make it easier for you. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. You can also check out my Etsy for other exclusive patterns, which I regularly update. I've added subtitles in multiple languages to this video using a translation tool. Feel free to turn on the subtitles from the options in the YouTube menu. It's really handy if you're enjoying this video without any sound or audio. After attaching the zipper, flip the fabric over so the right side is facing out. Press the fabric away from the zipper to make sure the zipper can zip and unzip smoothly. After pressing, top stitch all around the zipper. It's important to unzip the zipper now. Bring the main fabrics together and the lining fabrics together. Align the seams here and secure with fabric clips. If you want to attach a label, do so now. For an outside label, attach it to the main fabric. For an inside label, attach it to the lining piece. Secure the edges of the pouch with fabric clips. Sew all around, leaving a gap in the lining fabric for turning it inside out. Trim the curved parts to reduce bulk and make the curves smoother. Turn the pouch inside out. Since we unzipped the zipper earlier, it should be easy. For a quick finish, sew the opening in the lining fabric, close to the edge. Tuck the lining fabric inside and smooth out the pouch with your fingers. And that's it! Our Elly pouch is finished. Thanks for following this tutorial. If you would like to make the Elly pouch in other sizes, make sure to grab the pattern through the link in the description. See you in my next video. Bye!